They're always interested in what's going right, what's going on. Technology, things happen. So the biggest thing is customer support. Because as we know, technology, something can go wrong. And they are always willing and very concerned about making sure that we have the proper flow with the app. So customer service is key for us. Yeah, nice, kind of fun, hip. You know, we promote it, and branding is everything. And I talk to other business, being in the business, a lot of people always want to know what works for me. You know, what apps they use, things like that. So we, like the materials that they give us for sure.